In the end, we want quality teachers, and if there is not a teacher available that we can hire who is certified or is not consistently present, then we must look at other options.
We called it the warm body in the room approach to staffing. We had many times where there was a different sub every single class period. I started writing lesson plans for these classes. It was a tremendous strain on the entire system.
We really wanted a partnership that had strong connections between teacher and student, and a partnership where the paras and the teachers were working together to provide lessons that could help improve student achievement.
Our students were kind of getting a hodgepodge of content. They weren't meeting the standards, there wasn't a continuity in the curriculum, it's whoever was there. We also did not do much hands-on because it was very challenging to have either a different sub every period, or we would have a contractor coming in who may not be very skilled at classroom management. Since then, I have seen the most hands-on experiments that I've ever seen in our science classrooms. Children expect that now.
When you walk into a science class, the kids are touching materials, they're doing experiments, just like they would at an in-person class setting.
I get a chance to walk in and see how are the students engaged, how is the facilitator and the PLI teacher working together. I get the opportunity also to meet with the district or with the principals afterwards and say, what is the feedback? Where do we see some grows and where do we see some glows?
The day-to-day coordination between the proximity learning team and our daily district staff has changed over the years. We've worked to create our virtual teachers into the fiber of our schools. Because it's very valuable to have not only a certified staff for the students, but a full certified teaching team that can bring that expertise to team meetings, to team PLCs, to professional development opportunities.
If you have different layers of support, virtual instruction can have a positive impact on the students and the educators in your district.
We have seen teachers come back for their third year with us, and they have already started back in December of saying, I want to come back for my fourth year.
What a school district should know, starting with us, is that our goal is to fill a space that we know that they need, and that's provide a certified virtual teacher. And that's just the beginning.